First tournament that we played in, I told these kids that we're having the opportunity to do something that our ancestors did a long time ago. And every time we step on the field, we should be stepping on that field to make our ancestors proud. We are in the Oak Hill community, and we're near Jay, Oklahoma. Our community is very spread out. There's homes just hidden in these little crooks and valleys of Oak Hill. We have youth that are really needing that connection to the culture, and a lot of people don't know where to start. So once we put the stickball pole up, and my boys grew up with sticks in their hands, and then they started giving my sticks away to all their friends, and they just started playing out here almost on a daily basis in the summer. And sometimes you drive out here and you'd see about 10 or 12 kids just playing stickball. And I really, really think the stickball had a big part in how this community has come alive.